What is going on, guys? This is Tanctics, and previously on Tanctics. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that. But like I said from last video, I had no idea Ben 10s were in here, but I'm so happy they are. That will save me some ching-ching, if you know what I mean. So now we're gonna do the second part of the booster box opening. So this is gonna be another 12 packs. So let's get right to it. I gotta get this done in less than 10 minutes, just like I did the last video. So let's get the first pack opened. Come on, open up. I'm too excited. Actually, I can open this thing pretty easily. Alright. Let's see. Born from Dragonis. Another gadget card from last time. Another Evil Star. Drytron Eclipse again. Invoked card. And then we got another Live Twin Lila. Alright, next. I said live star twin. Sorry. Alright, we've seen this card many times already. Born from Dragonis, we've seen that card. Griffin. We got a Delta. Eclipse. Invoked. Ooh, this is a pretty card. It's a Moon Maiden. That's cool. That anime look right there. Anime blonde. Alright, we've seen this card before. Another Griffin. There's a lot of Griffins on this side. Invocation. Delta again. Phoenix. Woohoo! Drytron Alpha. That's the second one. I need one more. I need one more and I'm good to go with the alphas. Still need to get the ritual versions of the Drytrons. Seen that card. Gadgets, Live Twin, Star Drawing, and then we got this card again. We've seen this card already as well. I like the way it looks. I think it's really pretty. Do it! I thought this was like a legit booster. I mean, it is a legit booster box, but I thought it was like a regular one. It's not. Like I said, I'm very new. This is okay. I'm okay with this. We've seen all these cards. We've seen the Dumber 96. We've seen the Bottomless. Gamer! And we got another one of these guys here. Not the right one. Not the right one, but it's cool. It's okay. Maybe we'll get it. We only have 23 more booster boxes to open if I choose to open all of them. Alright, we got another Meteor Shower. We got the Herald card. We got a Beta. Book of the Law. Evil Star. And then we got, oh yeah, Drytron Fafnir, baby. I only need one of these, so that's done. Sweet. I now need the other, the regular fusion. I can't think of what it's called. Drytron Meta or something. Mitosis or, I don't remember. Most people use one, but I like two. So another Live Star card, Evil Star. Another Herald card. We got Beat Cop from the Underworld again. Alright, next pack. All different. Oh, I didn't even notice that. All the different packs have different designs in them. That's really cool. We got another number 96 here. Another Ben 10. If you guys comment on my thing, maybe I'll get I'll put in your raffle into a raffle and you can win a Ben 10. Maybe if I could speak, that'd be great. Game on! I need that card. I think I need one more of those. Yeah, we've already seen this super rare card. Let's see what's next. Drytron Shower Zeta! Born from another Ben 10. Hell yeah. Engraver of the Mark, another Phoenix, and then we've seen this card, the Glass Goddess already. Like again, I really think this card is cool. We only have a couple more packs. We're going a little bit quicker this time, which is a good thing. We got another Zeta. It's awesome. Extra Foolish Burial, Backup Secretary, Unicorn, Mark, Bottomless, and we got, I can't even read this, but it's like an ultra cool rare one. It's Evil Star, Twin Kill, Sickle, and Lila. Okay, that's cool. 2 more packs, guys. 2 more packs, guys and gals. I can open it. Don't need a deja vu from pack 1 I opened in this video. We got a beta. I don't think that's the good one though. Another thing, and then we got this card. I think I'm not sure if we got this card yet, but I really like how they put the hollows. Like they're really cool now. They changed it up. I don't know if that's like for all, like even like the regular traditional booster boxes, but that's pretty dope. All right, last pack here. Still missing plenty of cards. So we got plenty more of these things to open. We got a Gadget, Book of the Law, Invoked card, a Hat Tricker, and then we got a Spirit card here. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not, but that's pretty cool looking. Alright, so I'm going to take inventory of my stuff, start building the deck as much as I can, and I'll get back to you. So that is the first booster box, a part 1 and a part 2. I'll have part 3 and part 4 out. I will be moving soon, so I'll still have a video out once a week, but just to let you know, I'll be moving. But again, like, comment, and subscribe. And again, if you guys do all that, I will put you guys in a drawing for a free Ben 10. Because that card is awesome. But that is it. You all have a wonderful day. I'll see you.